Hi, I'm AJ Wilcox. I'm the chief LinkedIn ads fanatic here at b2linked.com. All right, so with LinkedIn ads, we have document ads. Should you use them? The short answer is an emphatic yes. Document ads are incredible, but not for the reasons that you might think. Document ads are super engaging. They're a newsfeed placement where a user can scroll through slides of a document or a presentation. They're super engaging, easily one of the top 2 engaging ad formats, right alongside LinkedIn's thought leader ads. When they first launched, if you wanted traffic to your site, you were limited to the engagement objective, which was good and bad. It was good because they were averaging like 6 to 14% click-through rates, and costs per click were like $1 to $2. But it was bad because a click in the engagement objective is any interaction with the ad. So you were getting charged for anyone clicking onto the next slide, which tons of people do. Later though, LinkedIn allowed document ads to run on the website visits objective, which was an absolute game changer. What it meant is that all of the engagement with the document can be free, and you only have to pay when someone clicks on that little call to action button below the document to take them to your landing page. So sure, you may have to bid really high, like $15 to $20 per click, to ensure that LinkedIn keeps showing your document ad in the website visits objective, but the whole while you're getting tons of engagements for free. I've tested these objectives against each other on multiple occasions, and the cost per engagement and cost per landing page click are always lower when you're using the website visits objective rather than any other objective. Usually your costs are about 1/3 as much. So what kind of document should you use? I first tried ebooks and guides, and they failed because, especially on your audience's mobile device, an ebook looks like a daunting wall of text. They don't want to read it. Instead, I recommend taking your long form text and pulling out those top points and stats and give each one their own slide. And make sure to design the graphics with a right arrow so your audience knows that they can scroll. Create these as 1200 by 1200 pixel PDFs and upload that baby as an ad, and you are good to go. For more awesome LinkedIn ads tips and tricks and how-tos, subscribe to the LinkedIn Ads Show podcast. And if you want to be a LinkedIn ads 1%er, come join my private community at fanatics.b2linked.com. I'll see you there.